Welcome back, students. So in this particular video we are going to understand receipt note. So if you have watched the previous video, you know that receipt note is the confirmation of receiving of goods or product based on purchase order. Now we have processed the purchase order already of 1100 shirts. Now let's say we have received 1100 shirts. Now how to process that? So that term is known as receipt note. So in order to do that, again we will have to go to voucher. Now in voucher we will go to other vouchers, because by default a receipt note is not activated. We need to activate that. Here you will be able to see show inactive. Click over here. Okay, and after that here you will have to find out a receipt note. So here you can see receipt note is coming and shortkey is Alt F9, but at the same time this is inactive. So I'm going to double click. It's asking whether you want to activate it now. I will say yes, and you will be able to see a receipt note. Now the first thing that you will have to mention is the reference number which has been provided by the supplier. So I am randomly typing 123. After that you will have to mention the date. It's by default coming 1st of April, the same date when we have processed the purchase order. But generally we receive the item after, let's say, 10 days or after, let's say, 1 month. Whatever date you need to mention, you will mention over here. Now I'm keeping it 1st of April only. Party account name, this is very important. Here you will have to select the party from where you have processed the purchase order. So in this case it was Ram Enterprise, so I am selecting Ram Enterprise, and the order number through which you have got the product or the goods. Here the purchase order number was RM01, so I am selecting this. The moment you will do that, rest of the detail of the party will come automatically. Here you can see. So you need not to do anything, just go ahead, and here it's coming 1 2 3 and 1 because it is the first receipt note against the purchase order, so I am selecting 1. Okay, this is the order number against which we are doing this receipt note, so keep it as it is. Now here you will have to mention how much of quantity against the purchase order you have received. If you have received all the quantity, then you will mention, in our case it was 1100 pieces of shirt, and if you have received 1100 pieces of shirt, keep it as it is. But let's say for some reason you have received less order, let's say 900, then you need to mention 900 over here. Okay, so I'm keeping 1100 as it is. Go ahead and save this receipt note. So it is very simple. In this particular voucher entry we have not done anything as such, just we have confirmed that whatever purchase order was processed, we have received the order according to that. Now based on this, if you will go to stock summary, you will be able to see that we have received shirt of 1100 pieces. Also I want to go to display more reports. From here I am going statement of inventory, and from here purchase order outstanding, all orders, and you will be able to see there is no order which is due because we have received the order. But here if I will go for purchase bill pending, you will be able to see that the bill is pending of 1100 pieces of shirt, because just now we have received the order, we have not made the payment yet. So that's the reason it is showing in bill pending. So this was the short video. This is it. And in the next video we are going to learn that if we need to reject few of the items, then how to do that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.